This week we're checking out Nanjing Da Pai Dang, one of the most iconic dining spots in the city. This place isn't just popular, it's so famous that it actually advertises across subway networks on the PA system. That's when you hear it's a big deal. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Known for its traditional Jiangnan dishes and old-school atmosphere, this place promises a full cultural experience, not just a meal. So today we're finding out if it's really with the buzz. Let's go! Hi there, we're Lester and Dandan, a Chinese-South African couple documenting our journey all across Asia and beyond. Follow us for more content like this and do hit that subscribe button. Smile, Dandan. If you want our channel to grow.
Nanjing. Shi Jing Cai. Let me see how.
What's that called, Dandan?
Shi Jing Cai.
Shi Jing Cai.
Yeah. So like 10 different kinds of. Check it, how to say it.
Apparently that's called Shi Jing Cai. Okay, so Dandan just managed to say seven kuai, that is, right?
Yes.
Can you tell us how?
So you need to download an app called Meituan, and then you can buy coupon on it. For example, I buy a coupon which is 100 yuan, but actually I only paid 93 yuan. If you are a new person, you can register on an app, and then you can get another 2 yuan deducted. So you only pay 91 yuan to buy the 100 coupon. Meituan app meat, crab meatball. Crab inside. 10 different kinds of vegetables together. So it is comprised of 10 different kinds of vegetables. So it's called a Shi Jing Cai. 10 means Shi.
Shi Jing Cai, got that?
Our next dish is roast duck.
We're bad.
Very juicy. Nanjing roast duck is different from Beijing roast duck. Nanjing is more juicy. Beijing is more crispy.
Not actually. Super good. You know, the plum sauce is what makes this dish really special, right?
Yeah.
But you need some fat, especially for the brain. Okay, and our fourth dish. What is that, Daniel?
Osmanthus petals inside, and this is taro. Yeah,
That's a kind of dough, or is that a kind of gluten?
It's a vegetable, I think. It's a bit like sweet potatoes or potato. You know, those kind of. It's a bit creamy.
Stop using Hua's words. That kind of.
Sweet scented, can taste the osmanthus flavor, the flower flavor, and the soft, gooey flavor taste.
Let me try.
But not every foreigner would like it. Because last time,
I don't like that part. I just like the
Osmanthus.
Osmanthus.
Yes, because I ordered 2 for our friend in Netherlands. And then they were not interested. Interesting.
And Dana was a little bit heartbroken.
Because it's Nanjing local.
But it is warm, it's comforting, it reminds me of like a kind of dessert that my grandma used to make, where she'd take loquat, like a pudding, yeah, like a loquats, and they'll cook like seasonal berries in a kind of sugar, and they'd serve it in like the autumn or in the spring when the weather's still very cold, right? Zoom up then.
Open the yellow app Meituan. Inside there are so many branches of restaurants. Choose the right one for your restaurant and then slide down. You can see different kinds of coupons. Normally I choose 100 yuan and I normally use 94 yuan to buy it. So let's see. Click to the second one and then choose the one coupon you bought. Then let's wait and see. Ta-da! Enjoy!